This is Krishna and I'm from Usha International Limited, Hyderabad, Bala Nagar. And I'm here to experience the exhibition which is held in HITEX, Hyderabad. And this has helped me in getting some good solution for my maintenance part, where I've got some different vendors who are really very much well versed with their technology in helping my requirement of my procurement activity. So I feel and I congratulate HITEX in providing this opportunity for us to experience the technology, what they are into, and with different companies. Thank you.